Meet the KC-135 Stratotanker, the silent backbone of global air power. Amid the roar of jet engines and the thunder of airborne strategy, one aircraft stands quietly at the core of U.S. military aviation, the KC-135 Stratotanker. While it may not be as glamorous as the F-22 Raptor or the B-2 Spirit, its role is indispensable. It isn't a frontline striker, but the lifeline in the sky, delivering blood in the form of fuel so that the hunters of the air can continue their mission. Its story begins during the Cold War, a time when the threat of sudden nuclear strikes from the Soviet Union pushed the U.S. to find a way to keep its strategic bombers airborne indefinitely. In 1956, Boeing introduced the KC-135, the first jet-powered aircraft designed from the ground up for aerial refueling. This was a game-changer compared to previous tankers, which were simply converted bombers. Over 800 KC-135s were built, and the aircraft quickly became the backbone of America's Strategic Air Command. They flew alongside B-52 bombers on endless deterrent patrols, ensuring that the U.S. could always strike back, anytime, anywhere. But the KC-135's role extended well beyond the Cold War. From Vietnam to Iraq, from Kosovo to Afghanistan, the Stratotanker has been there. Every time U.S. fighters and bombers flew missions thousands of miles from home, chances were a KC-135 was overhead, keeping them fueled and mission-ready. During Operation Desert Storm, hundreds of aerial refueling sorties were flowing. KC-135s played a quiet but critical role in the success of the campaign. Technically, the KC-135 uses a boom system to transfer fuel at high speeds to receiving aircraft. Boom operators lie in a prone position at the rear of the aircraft, guiding the boom with incredible precision, a task that demands both technical skill and intense concentration. Even after more than 60 years, the KC-135 is still flying, thanks to extensive modernization, including new engines, digital avionics, and upgraded communication systems. Some variants are expected to serve well into the 2050s, making it one of the longest-serving aircraft in the U.S. military history. More than just a refueler, the KC-135 is a symbol of endurance, reliability, and silent strength. It's a reminder that in modern warfare, victory isn't just about firepower. It's also about the unseen support that keeps the mission alive and airborne.